Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to talk about the Bija Cica Care range from Innisfree and also show you how to use it and my review on it. Now this skincare range is for highly sensitive skin and it is to take care of acne prone skin. Now if you're wondering what Bija is, Bija seeds are rare ingredients that can only be used after they have survived for 20 years in the wild, and it has properties to gently smooth skin and enhance the skin's natural defense system. Let's start with how to do a morning and a night routine using the Bija Cica range. And to begin the routine, both for night and day, you start with the Bija Trouble Skin. This is enriched with Torreya seed extract, helps in controlling blemishes, and it helps you get a clear skin, and this serves as a base for the next products. So use it after you've cleaned your face, pour an appropriate amount onto a cotton pad and sweep it over your entire face. Next, we have the Bija Cica Total Care Set. It comes with the Bija Cica sheet mask and it has 3 things inside. The first one being the Bija Cica Balm. This is my favorite product from the entire range, and this balm helps in protecting the skin against any external irritants while helping relieve irritated skin. And it comes with 2 different sizes. And then you have the Bija Cica Essence, and you can use this as a regular essence and spread this evenly over your face before you apply any moisturizer. So for the morning routine, after you have wiped off your face using the Bija Trouble Toner, you can then either apply Cica Essence or Bija Cica Balm. I love the Bija Cica Balm, and it's a very lightweight balm that I apply all over my face. They also have the Bija Cica Intense Balm, which you can use similarly for sensitive skin and for spot treatment, but this has a much thicker, balmy consistency. So you could either apply it on your spots as a spot treatment like I am doing here, or you could use it as a regular moisturizer in the night. Or you could follow up the Bija Cica Balm using the Bija Trouble Lotion, which is a very lightweight lotion, and you can apply this as your normal moisturizer. Now all of these products are designed to help clear blemishes, to soothe irritated skin. They don't have a distinctive smell, but they are very soothing and calming on the skin. You could also do a special care with the Bija Care range using the Bija Cica sheet mask. Now this sheet masks come in their regular packaging, and before you apply the sheet mask, you can go ahead and use the Bija Trouble Skin. Pour that on a cotton pad, sweep it all over your face. And this sheet mask, as you can tell, is very heavily drenched with the product. It has a lot of product in it, and you apply it all over your face like you would use any regular sheet mask, and you would instantly feel relieved. If your skin is very irritated, very sensitive, you would feel that calming effect, a very soothing effect. I think this would be so good after a sunburn actually. The key ingredient in this range is Centella Asiatica 4X. This is a high purity powder which has Asiatic pennywort leaves amounting to about 30 times its own weight. And yeah, you just let it be on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you remove it, and then you just lightly massage your skin, and don't wash your face after this. Just let the product be on your skin. So that's it for this review. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All of the links to the products are in the info box, and you can also get an Innisfree Happy Orchid candle for free if you buy anything above $7.99. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you super soon. Bye.